Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use picture-in-picture mode on YouTube app without paying for the premium. I'm going to show you two steps. One step is going to be for Samsung users. If you are using Samsung, you can do this without any hassle. All you have to do is to minimize the app, click on the icon and click on open in pop-up view. Here you can now adjust the YouTube app so that you can be seeing only the media player. So this is step one for Samsung users. You can use this step to watch YouTube in picture-in-picture mode. So the second step I'm going to show you now is going to work for everybody. Even if you are using the Pixel or Xiaomi device, this is going to work for you. It's very simple. All you have to do is to download any VPN of your choice, any VPN that has US available. So I'm going to use Thunder VPN in this tutorial. All you have to do is to select United States and connect. So you have to close your YouTube app and start it again. Now open your YouTube app and select your video. You can now minimize YouTube app. You will see that you can now watch your favorite videos in picture-in-picture mode. You don't need to pay for premium. So first step is to open in pop-up view for Samsung users, and second step is to use VPN. Very simple. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.